Welcome along to edie's 2022 Sustainability Leaders Forum.
Last year, around the time of COP, we asked people whether they thought we could still solve climate change. Is it still solvable? 1 in 5 under 30s no longer think that it's possible. We are the solutionists. We are the leaders able to invent, create, bring to market and scale the answers.
Last summer, we had a series of extreme weather events of a kind we have never seen before as a result of climate change.
Dealing with reality, and sometimes that's really scary. For me, optimism isn't prophetic. It's not saying everything's going to work out fine. The optimism is believing that each of us and each company and each leader and each government has a role to play in trying to create the future we want.
The edie Sustainability Leaders event is always worthwhile. It brings together so many people, so you can learn from each other. There's always a lot of good takeaways and some good networking.
edie's been such a great melting pot for everyone to come together. Innovation and ideas have been sparking, and thanks so much to edie for having everyone here. It's been a fantastic event.